great toy.
Nana?
Oh my gosh. What was it?
Nice.
Oh, it's so
It looks like a
cute.
sleeping bag.
So pretty.
Sorry, had to get out of the way.
Look.
Well, I just
See the balloons? Just like your balloons. Gentle.
Oh, that is the cutest card
First
ever.
birthday striped with bunny, spotted with surprises. Happy birthday, love Nana and Papa.
Oh, that is so cute, Rochelle. Oh,
Maybe it's a sleeping bag.
Maybe.
It is a sleeping bag?
Oh, yes.
so pretty.
Yeah!
Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at
It's a
it.
quilt, kiddo.
So soft.
Kind of like
It's a
a sleeping.
quilt.
Gorgeous.
I knew you were making a quilt, but I already had it cut out when I
That's
made it
okay.
last time.
I'm making him a big one, so this one will fit his bed perfectly.
That one
And it's
fits
a
the
little
bed.
duvet cover.
Yeah. You can always have more than